Sodium Dental knows that mobile dentistry is a whole new challenge with entirely new demands on the dental professionals making this possible for their patients. We know that going mobile means getting out in the weather. Going mobile means that you must be rugged and able to overcome obstacles in your way. Our mobile dental technology is built to be as tough as the dental professionals who use it. We want to go with you on this journey and be there when you need it. Our mobile dental toolkit is tough, durable, and has everything you need for taking digital x-rays. Our tough, durable case houses what you need. A powerful 17-inch laptop capable of being a standalone server. A portable and high-quality x-ray tube head device. The highest image quality and durability digital x-ray sensors on the market. Sensor holder kits and barrier shields for all your positioning needs. Load us up, strap us in, get mobile, and grow your practice with our team behind you all the way.
Hello everyone from Sodium Dental. We are so excited to be here at the National Mobile Teledentistry Conference with you today, here live in person and at home with you virtually on Zoom. Everything you guys see here in front of me, you guys just saw in our amazing video that includes everything in our mobile dental toolkit. I want to show you guys here how you'll be able to use these tools once you get to your patient. Let's all welcome Mr. Ed Bones to the stage. He's my stand-in patient today. He will be helping me demonstrate how we will be using these tools on an actual patient. All right, so Mr. Ed Bones has an appointment today, as you can see here on our open dental, for a prophy and for bite wings. So I'm going to click on his appointment and come all the way over here to the charts button. As you can see here, we're in his chart and open dental. And if we easily select this Aptrix button, it's going to open us up into X-ray Vision, which is our imaging software we'll be using. And what's automatically already happened for Mr. Ed Bones is we're already in his patient chart here is for X-ray Vision, so we don't have to click any additional buttons to get to his patient chart. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in the digital x-ray sensor. And to go ahead for Mr. Ed Bones for bite wings, all you're simply going to do is hit one button in Aptrix, and it automatically opens up the layout form for him to get his bite wing series. We are then going to select the Aurora sensor here and then hit OK.
Sensor ready.
So now I'm going to go ahead and place the sensor within the red sensor holder for the bite wing series. I'm going to hold that. So we're going to go ahead and slide the sensor into this holder like so. And making sure that the sensor cable is lined with the back of the sensor holder. That'll ensure proper placement. So now we're going to go ahead, and Mr. Ed Bones here is going to help me with the bite wing series. Going to go ahead and place this in his mouth all the way towards the back and having him bite down on the bite block. Mr. Ed Bones, go ahead and hold that for me as I take the x-ray series. There we go. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and make sure this is powered on. And I'm going to go ahead and line up this cord out of the way. You want to make sure you have right angle ready to take your x-ray image. I'm going to line up the tube head in the center here and on the sensor holder properly. Go ahead and take the first image. I'm properly lined up. All right, I'm going to look for the first image here on the x-ray vision. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take the second image here. And again, Mr. Ed Bones can't move for me. Right now I'd be moving for a different bite wing image, but since he can't, I'm going to go ahead and just stay with the same placement here, reline everything up, and go ahead and take the second bite wing image. Here, and what's really great is the tooth numbers are already pre-labeled within the layout on X-ray vision, as you guys can see here, which is quite nice. And I'm going to go ahead and take his third image for his bite wing. What's really great about this, you guys, is if you make sure you're holding this, it's super lightweight and durable with the portable tube head. And just making sure when you're lining up your images on the bar of the sensor tool in the center makes for proper placement. So practice makes perfect, you guys. I cannot say that enough because it is definitely not easy. You professionals make it look easy. It has been trial and error for me today, but I'm getting it down as we can see here. So I'm quite happy about that. And awesome. I got a little bit there, see? So I'm not a professional, but I'm working on it. So I'm really happy with how these turned out. And then when you guys are done here, we're going to go ahead and save this image series for Mr. Ed Bones for our 4 bite wings. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and hit done here. And what's really great is these images are going to be already pre-saved now in Mr. Ed Bones' chart, as you guys can see here in the top. If we go ahead and just double click on one of these images, it blows it up. As you can see here, it's really great. We get this layout overview to go over the tooth images for diagnostics. And what's really amazing about X-ray vision is you can see, you guys, you can use different tools. It'll have all the tools in the world you could possibly need. There will not be a tool you will not be without, which is great. You got a magnifying tool, pointer tool. You can do different measurements, text labels, and sharpening tool. And the best thing about this is the sharing capabilities and how you can easily export your images out and keep them for your patient chart. So now that I've got all the images taken, I'm now going to go ahead and close everything out. And everything's already going to be pre-saved so that I can go ahead and get ready to shut down my laptop here. And now I'm going to take this home and go plug it in and charge it, knowing that everything will be safe and saved for me. And I will know that it's already been protected. It's encrypted. So if I was to lose my laptop, everything will be saved for my patients. You're probably worried about losing your patient information. Well, don't worry. Once you get home, plug in your laptop and then plug in your external hard drive. Turn on your laptop and it will automatically back up all of your information every night. I would like to thank you all for your attention, and I hope this was valuable for you. We are so proud to be sponsors here at the National Mobile Teledentistry Conference, and thank you so much to Melissa and Sonia for putting on this amazing National Mobile Teledentistry Conference for everyone to enjoy. And we are such proud sponsors of the National Teledentistry Alliance. Thank you guys.